Welcome to Unit 2, where we focus on listening for interpretation and critical evaluation. While our previous sessions concentrated on note-taking and gathering information, this unit addresses the highest order of listening comprehension. Mastering these skills allows you to move beyond passive listening to become a true master of the information presented, which is essential for your academic success. To interpret a message, you must go beyond mere facts. This process involves thinking between and beyond what is explicitly stated, to make deductions and identify deeper meanings. Similarly, critical analysis is the art of assessing the strengths and weaknesses of a message, weighing points to pass informed judgments and draw your own conclusions. Remember that listening comprehension should not stop at recall. An intelligent listener uses their own background knowledge to engage with ideas and contribute innovations to the discussion. To help with this, keep an ear out for specific language markers. For instance, terms like, "it never seemed like a good idea," or "it poses a challenge" often signal critical analysis. Expressions like, "it turned out to be," or "it inspired comfort" are often used during evaluation, while phrases such as "some called it," or "while others said," frequently signal interpretation. To interpret a viewpoint effectively, listen attentively, take detailed notes, and try to synthesize the speaker's words with your own background knowledge. When you want to critically evaluate a message, follow a similar path by noting the core arguments, then explicitly considering the pros and cons of those points. From there, you can pass value judgments and formulate your own suggestions or modifications. Always keep in mind that critical evaluation requires active interaction rather than passive absorption. Your goal as an intelligent listener is not to destroy an argument, but to understand, improve, and build upon it. Ultimately, moving beyond the simple recall of facts is what defines a truly skilled listener. If you are watching this course from YouTube or other platform, make sure to sign up on coursexquiz.com to take this unit quiz and track your progress. And remember, enrollment on our platform is completely free. We'll see you there.